Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable Windows Recall and Copilot Plus on Windows 11. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So how do you exactly disable these features inside Windows? Well, let's first work on Windows Recall. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go and click on the Windows icon at the bottom section of your screen, and you want to look for Settings. Now, inside the Settings app here, you want to go to the left side, you want to go to Privacy and Security, and you want to go ahead and scroll down the following options. So you want to scroll down in the app permission section, and you want to look for the option that says Recall and Screenshots. So this may be different, so you may need to look for it, but in this case, let's go access this one. Now, from here, you may see an option that says Save Screenshot. Now, if you do see the Save Screenshot option, you want to go and just disable that, and you should be pretty much good to go. Now, another thing that you may need to do here to disable Copilot Plus here is you may want to access your task manager. So in this case, you want to go to you want to go to your settings, you want to go to personalization, and inside personalization, you want to go ahead and look for the option that says taskbar. Now inside taskbar, you want to go ahead and basically expand the option for other system tray icons. Now, once you do expand this one, you want to look for Windows Copilot. Now, once you do see that, and if you do see the actual toggle button is enabled here, you want to go ahead and disable that, and typically that should disable Copilot in your Windows PC or Windows 11. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.